In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete cards in Trello, a comprehensive guide for 2025. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing tasks and projects, but sometimes a bit of maintenance is necessary to keep your boards neat and efficient. Let's dive straight into it and explore the process of deleting cards step by step. First, head over to Trello.com. It's the hub where all of your boards and cards live, so naturally that's where we'll start. Once you're on the Trello homepage, look for the Login button. It should be right there on the front screen, making it really easy for you to access your account. Now, when it comes to logging in, Trello gives you some flexibility. You can choose to log in using your email address, or if you find it more convenient, you can use your Google account. Simply go with what you're comfortable with and follow the prompts to get into your Trello account. Once you've accessed your account, navigate to your boards. You'll find this section usually highlighted at the top of your page. This boards section is essentially a collection of all your past and current projects, so it's quite vital for staying organized. After navigating to your boards, make your way over to the Your Workspaces section. This will allow you to locate the specific board you want to tidy up. You'll see a list of options filled with your current boards. Go ahead and click on the board you need to make changes to. On your selected board, scroll through and find the card you want to delete. Clicking on it will open a detailed view of your card, providing you with all the options related to it. Now here's where your Trello spring cleaning can really start. In the card view, search for the archive option. Archiving a card is Trello's way of putting it on hold or simply getting it out of the way so that your board doesn't look cluttered. However, archiving alone doesn't fully remove a card, so let's move on to the next step. After you archive your card, look for the delete option. Be sure to find this button, typically located near the archive button. Clicking delete is the step that will permanently remove your card from your board. Remember, once you delete a card, Trello will ask you to confirm this action as it's irreversible. So if you're sure you no longer need this card, go ahead and click delete again to finalize the process. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted a card in Trello. Keeping your board clean and organized helps you focus on what's important. Keep practicing these steps, and soon managing your Trello boards will become second nature. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide made managing your Trello experience a bit easier.